Okay, so this week, one of your options is to do an assignment called the Mole Carnival. This is available through Google Classroom, and it's a Ck-12 link, but it's a little different this time. It's not a rating. You're actually going to have a manipulative to work with. So I want to walk through this assignment with you. When you're doing this assignment, make sure you have a periodic table handy or the link to ptable.com, or also a calculator would be very helpful, and maybe some scratch paper so you can write things down, because you ultimately are going to fill in a Google Doc to turn this in. So let's go right through the assignment. Okay, so question, how many atoms are in a gold ring, a grain of sand, or the human body? So it's kind of a big topic. So if you click play here, it'll walk you through a little scenario with that. So it just kind of leads you some starter questions, and then it zooms in, and we're looking at that pencil, and it's going to zoom in on the atomic level. We talk a lot about in class doing atomic drawings, and here's our number for how much lead is in a pencil. Your work begins on the next page. So if you click this arrow over here, if you're beyond this point, it's on the ice cream man. Or not the ice cream man, the donut man, if you kind of skip through this. So you're going to click right there. It's now hidden right here behind the donut man. If you need to go back the other way, you'll click over here. So select an object and use dimensional analysis to solve for the number of moles. You see all these objects that have the flashing green and white circles. Oh, and they change. So flash home one of those objects. And then to fill it in, the unicyclist pumps 0.885 moles of gas at STP into the tire. How many liters of gas did he add to the tire? So we're going to type in what we start with right here, 0.885, 0.885. And then we're going to use the drop-down button to select the unit. So our unit up here is moles. So we hit this, and we're going to scroll until we see moles of gas, and then we click on that. And then it automatically forwards you to the next spot where you're going to swing in a conversion factor. Now we're going to liters, and don't panic. None of these have liters on the top. Right now you're going to find the conversion factor, and then you can fix that. So we're looking for something that deals with gas, moles of gas, and liters. So we're going to drag this guy down here. All right, and that doesn't look very good. Mole gas, so mole gas squared over liter gas. That's not where I wanted to end up. So I'm going to click this button right here, boom, and switch it, and we end up with 19.8 liters of gas. At that point, you just go back to the Carnival and continue on. You would record this information on your paper with a question about the unicycle. And that's it for this assignment. I hope you have a great week, and I look forward to hearing from you.